everyone, it's Todd. As I said in the garden video, I thought I'd give you a rundown of what I've been doing here in the barn. I got another wall going up, section of my wall on the one side of the barn. Remember my woodworking station here I got? Now adding on to another section here, and what I do is I cover the 3/4 inch board, sheeting board, with some barn siding. I like the look of it, and my neighbors are always tearing down barns, it seems like these days, so I get some free wood out of it. And this section here, I plan on adding a few storage items and shelving, and then a tabletop will come in here, and hopefully this will be the small engines and stuff like that, parts and stuff for me. And then that corner, when I get that to that section, that'll probably be like plumbing and electrical. And that, I figure if I do it in sections like this for my barn, for my storage and use, I can, as long as I know where everything's at, I don't forget about it, and I use it, and I don't go out and buy more stuff. But when I go to these auctions and sales, I get so much hardware and extra items that I may use or may not use, but I store everything. But if you can't find it, if you can't locate it, you won't use it, and you end up buying new anyway. So the best thing to do is try to get organized, put stuff in certain locations, and that way you remember where you have it and what you have. But my buddy who closed his hardware store in town, he had some storage units, and as you see over there, that's a big plastic bin type storage unit that I'll cut in half, and I'll use that for some of my parts. But some projects, I got lots of projects. There's my 350 I got restored. I got to work on this baby. It's not a true hit and miss engine. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but I call it a hit and miss engine. But I picked that up at a sale auction. So, but yeah, I gotta get that thing running. It should be pretty good shape. Shouldn't take much, but it just takes time to get to it, as well as all my other projects I haven't gotten to this year. I got the leaf blower. Gotta get that going, because man, it's fall big time here now. We had a big storm, and we're, like I said in the garden, we're expecting our first little bit of snow, I think, this week. So everything's going to be happening at once. But I haven't forgotten about you. I know it's been a while since I did videos. I'm just trying to get everyone updated what I've been doing. Of course, tractors are put away, and what needs to come in here, I got to hurry up and get this stuff done, because for the season, the camper will come in for the winter time. So once I put the camper in here, my space is cut by half. So it gets kind of cramped in here to do any projects then. So anyway, hey, thanks everyone for watching. If there's any questions or anything you want to add to the videos, let me know, make a note, and I'll get back with you. Thanks everyone. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.